I'm Patrick Sheehan with eXp Realty, and I want to welcome you to my latest listing here in Surprise, a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house that's been used as an Airbnb for the last several years. It can come furnished or not, but it definitely comes with one of the most beautiful backyards you'll see in Surprise.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. Just like a seed in a garden.
Thank you for taking the virtual tour today. Of course, the best way to see this home is in person. So give your realtor a call to schedule a showing. And if you don't have one, you can call me, Patrick Sheehan with eXp Realty.